So today let's discuss exercise 8.2 in chapter 8 decimals, and our first question is express as rupees using decimals. Okay, our first question is 5 paise. A is 5 paise. Okay, you have to express this 5 paise in rupees. So before doing this, you know that 1 paise is equal to rupees 1 by 100. Okay, 1 paise equal to rupees 1 by 100. This thing you have to notice. Okay, so what about 5 paise? So 5 paise will be equal to 5 by 100, rupees 5 by 100. Okay, 5 paise will be equal to rupees 5 by 100. How will you divide this 5 by 100? Here you can see in 100 two zeros are there. So 5. After the decimal point, two numbers should be there. So 1, 2. Here you will put the decimal point. So 0.0. Okay, so what will be the answer? 0.05 rupees. Rupees 0.05 will be our answer. Okay. Now let's see the second question, or B, which is 75 paise. 75 paise means what? Again you have to do 75 paise equal to 75 by 100 rupee. Rupees 75 by 100. How will you divide this 75 by 100? In 100 two zeros are there. So after the decimal point two numbers should be there. 75 means what? 1, 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be rupees 0.75. Okay, rupees 0.75 will be our answer. Now let's see the C. C is 20 paise. So what you have to do? 20 by 100. Rupees 20 by 100 will be our answer. That is after the decimal point two numbers. So 1, 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.20. Rupees 0.20. Okay. Now let's see D. D is 50 rupees and 90 paise. So this you have to express as rupees. So 50 rupees is already in rupees, so no need of converting that. You have to convert only this 90 paise. So 90 paise, how will you convert it into rupees? So it will be 90 by 100 rupees. So what is 90 by 100? You know that 900 means two zeros. So 1, 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So answer will be 0.90. Rupees 0.90. Okay, that means 90 paise. Okay, 90 paise will be equal to rupees 0.90. Now you have to write it completely. That is 50 rupees 90 paise. So what about 50 rupees 90 paise? That will be equal to 50 rupees and 90 paise. We have got the answer as 0.90 rupees. 0.90 rupees. So in total you can write it as 50.90 rupees. Okay, our answer will be 50.90. That is 50, it's already given in rupees 50, and 90 you have converted and you have got the answer as rupees 0.90. So in total you can write it as 50.90 rupees. Okay. Now let's see E. So in order to convert it into rupees, what you have to do? You have to divide it with 100. Okay, then you will get the answer in rupees. So what will be our answer? 725 means after the two numbers you have to put the decimal point. So 1, 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be rupees 7.25. Rupees 7.25. Okay. So this is the answer for these questions. Now let's see the second question. Second question is express as meters using decimals. You have to express it in meters. Okay. So for that you have to first identify, here every questions are given in centimeters. So you have to identify the relation between centimeter and meter. Okay, so you know that 1 centimeter is equal to 1 by 100 meter. 1 centimeter equal to 1 by 100 meter. Our first question is 15 centimeter. So what will be 15 centimeter? 15 centimeter will be 15 by 100 meter. Okay, now it's very easy to divide 15 by 100. Okay, 15 by 100 means what? 1, 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.15 meter. Okay, now let's see B. Our B is 6 centimeter. Now in order to convert this 6 centimeter into meter, you have to divide the 6 by 100. Then it will get converted to meter. Now what about 6 divided by 100? 6 means only one number is here. So second, after the second number you have to put the decimal point. So here you can put 0 and here you can put 0. Our answer will be 0.06 meter. Okay. Now what about C? 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Okay, so 2 meter means it's already given in meter, so that you have to convert only 45 centimeter to meter. Okay, so 45 centimeter means what? It will be equal to 45 by 100 meter. Okay, now how will you divide this 45 by 100? 45 by 100 means 2 zeros, so 1 2. So here you have to put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.45. Okay, 0.45 meter. Okay, now you know that this question is but 2 meter 45 centimeter. That means what? 2 meter and 45 centimeter. Now we have converted to meter. That is 0.45 meter. So these in total you can write it as 2.45 meter. Okay, our answer will be 2.45 meter. Now let's write D. D is 9 meter 7 centimeter. So it's also very easy to do. That is 9 meter is already given in meter. So that you have to convert only 7 centimeter to meter. For that what you have to do? You have to divide by 100. Then it will get converted to meter. Okay. So what is 7 by 100? Means two numbers should be there after the decimal point. So 1 2. So here we will put the decimal point. So 0.07. Okay, so 0.07 meter. Now but what is our question? Our question is actually 9 meter 7 centimeter. That means 9 meter and 7 centimeter we have converted to meter as 0.07 meter. So in total you can write it as what? 9.07 meter. 9.07 meter. Okay. So that's the answer for D. Now let's see E. So E is 419 centimeter. Here also for converting it into meter you need to divide it by 100 so that it will get converted to meter. Now how will you divide this 419 by 100? That means after the decimal point there should be two numbers, that is 1 2. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be 4.19 meter. Okay, 4.19 meter. Okay, so these are the answers. Now let's see the third question. So this is our third question. Express as centimeter using decimals. So you have to convert it into centimeter. But here you can see everything is given in millimeter. So you have to find the relation between millimeter and centimeter. So you know that 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Okay, 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Now let's convert everything. That is, our first question is 5 millimeter. So to convert 5 millimeter to centimeter, what you have to do? You have to divide this 5 by 10. Then it will get converted to centimeter. Okay. Now what is 5 by 10? Here only 1 0. 10 means only 1 0. So after the decimal point, only one number should be there. So you can put the decimal point here. So our answer will be 0.5 centimeter. Okay. Now let's see B. B is 60 millimeter. So you have to convert it into centimeter. So 60 by 10 centimeter. Now what about 60 by 10? Here also 10 means only 1 0. So after the decimal point, only one number should be there. So you can put the decimal point here. So our answer will be 6 centimeter. 6.0 means what? 6 itself. So 6 centimeter. Okay. C is 164 millimeter. That means what? You have to divide it by 10. Then it will get converted to centimeter. Okay. Now what about 164 divided by 10? 164 divided by 10 means only 1 0. So 1 0. So after this one number you have to put the decimal point. So our answer will be 16.4 centimeter. Okay. Now let's do D, which is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. So this is already in centimeter, so no need of converting. Now let's convert only 8 millimeter. So 8 millimeter means what? In order to convert it into centimeter, you have to divide it with 10. So 8 by 10 centimeter. Now what is 8 by 10? 8 by 10 means after the decimal point there should be only one number. So you can put the decimal point here. So 0.8. 0.8 centimeter. But our question is 9 centimeter 8 millimeter. That means 9 centimeter, and what about 8 millimeter? You have converted it into centimeter, which is 0.8 centimeter. So these things in total you can write it as 9.8 centimeter. Okay. In total you can write it as 9.8 centimeter, which is our answer. Now let's see E. So 93 millimeter is E. In order to convert it into centimeter, you have to divide it with 10 centimeter. So 93 divided by 10 means what? After the decimal point there should be only one number. 93, only one number. So decimal point will come here. So our answer will become 9.3 centimeter, which is our answer. Okay. So this is all about the third question. Now let's see the fourth question. So fourth question, our first one is 8 meter. And here you can see that you have to express as kilometer using decimals. That means, and our questions are written in meter. That means you have to write the relationship between kilometer and meter. So you know that 1 meter is equal to 1 by 1000 kilometer. This is the relation that you are using here. So first question is 8 meter. So in order to convert it into kilometer, you have to divide it with 1000. So that it will get converted to kilometer. Now what about 8 by 1000? 8 by 1000 means in 1000 3 zeros are there. That means after the decimal point 3 numbers should be there. So 8 means what? 1, 2, 3. Here you will put the decimal point. So here you can put 0, here you can put 0, here also 0. So our answer will be 0.008 kilometer. Okay, this is what our answer is. Okay, now let's see B, which is 88 meter. Now in order to convert it, you need to divide 88 by 1000 so that it will get converted to kilometer. Now 88 by 1000. Here also 3 zeros are there. So after the decimal point, 3 numbers should be there. So 1, 2, 3. So here you will put the decimal point. Now here you can put 0 and here also 0. So our answer will be 0.088 kilometer. Okay. Now what about C? C is 8888 kilometer. Okay, and you have to express it in kilometer. So what you have to do? You have to divide it with 1000. Okay, so that it will get converted to kilometer. Okay, so what is 8888 divided by 1000? 1000 means 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. So here you have to put the decimal point. Okay, so our answer will be 8.888 kilometer. Okay, so this is the answer for C. Now let's see D. D is 70 kilometer 5 meter. That means you have to express it in kilometer, but 70 kilometer is already in kilometer, so no need of doing it. You need to convert 5 meter to kilometer. So you can write it as 5 by 1000 kilometer. So what is actually 5 by 1000? 5 by 1000 means after the decimal point 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. Here you can put the decimal point. So 0, 0, 0. So our answer will be 0.005 kilometer. Okay, but our question is 70 kilometer and 5 millimeter. So 70 kilometer and 5 meter, you have converted it into kilometer, which is 0.005 kilometer. So now how you can write it in total? 70 point, after the point what is there? 005 kilometer. Okay, 70.005 kilometer. This will be our answer. Okay, now let's see the fifth question. Fifth question is express as kilogram using decimals. Okay, and the questions are written in grams. So you have to write the relation between kilogram and gram. And you know that 1 gram is equal to 1 by 1000 kilogram. Okay, this is the relation that you are using here. So, and our first question, A is 2 grams. Okay, so to convert it into kilogram, you need to divide it with 1000. So it will get converted to kilogram. Now what is 2 by 1000? 2 by 1000 means in 1000 3 zeros are there. So after the decimal point 3 numbers should be there. 1, 2, 3. So here you will put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.02 kilogram. Okay, 0.02 kilogram. Now what is next? 100 gram. So what you have to do? You have to divide this 100 by 1000 so that it will get converted to kilogram. Now 1000 means 3 zeros. So after the decimal point 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So here you can put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.100 kilogram. So 0.100 means what? After the decimal point there is no value for 0. Okay, so 0.100 can be written as 0.1 kg. Even if you are not writing this last zeros, there is no problem. But if zeros are coming in between, for example, if it's 0.101 means you have to write it. Okay, but here zeros are coming at the last. So you can write it as 0.1 kg, kilogram. Okay. Now let's see C. 3750 grams. So you have to convert it into kilogram. For that you have to divide it with 1000. Okay. Now 3750. Three zeros are there, so after the decimal point 3 numbers, so 1 2 3. So here you can put the decimal point. So our answer will be 3.750 kilogram. Okay. Now let's see D. 5 kilogram 8 gram. So here 5 kilogram, it's already in kilograms, so you need to convert only 8 grams. So 8 grams means what? In order to convert it into kilogram, you need to divide it with 1000. So 8 by 1000 kilogram. So what will be the answer? 8 means after the decimal point 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So here you can put the decimal point. So 0.008. Okay. So 0.008 kilogram. Now, but our question is 5 kilogram 8 grams. That means 5 kilogram 8 grams means what? You have converted it into kilograms. So 0.008 kilogram. So in total, how can you write this? 5 point after the point 008. So 5.008 kilogram. Okay, this will be our answer. Now what is next? 26 kilogram 50 grams. Okay. So here as you can see 26 kilograms is already in kilograms, so no need of converting. Now the rest is 50 gram. So to convert it into kilogram, you need to divide this 50 by 1000. Then it will get converted to kilogram. Now how will you divide this 50 by 1000? 1000 means 3 zeros. So after the decimal point 3 numbers. So 1, 2, 3. So here you can put the decimal point. So our answer will be 0.050. Okay, 0.050 kilogram. Now our question was 26 kg 50 grams. That means 26 kilogram 50 gram means you have converted it into kilogram, which is 0.050 kilogram. So in total you can write it as 26.050. That is after the decimal point 050. So 26.050 kilogram. As I have already told you, after the decimal point the last zeros have no value, so you can avoid it and write that is 26.05 is also fine. Okay, 26.05 kg, which is our answer. Okay, so that is the answers for question number 5. So that's all about the exercise 8.2. I hope you understood. Thank you.